Hello students, so today I will give you a very brief introduction related to your 11th class chemistry batch. So related to your exam pattern, your exam have two things. First thing is theory exam and second is practical exam. So your theory exam is covering maximum marks 70 and your practical exam covering maximum marks 30. Means your total chemistry having 100 marks, and here we will cover the theory exam. Means we will cover, our goal is maximum mark 70. So in the theory exam, firstly I give you complete each unit and discuss each and every question of NCRT book. As far as after unit completion, test is necessary. I will give you a test including objective and subjective questions with a suitable time period. Time period is very important because you also have a 3 hours time in your examination. So next one is, as time to time discuss concept related to our entrance exam like IIT, JEE, NEET and State Board. Or you have any doubt, so we can clarify time to time your doubt and your discussion with each and every. So now we cover what is the syllabus of our exam, what is the syllabus of our 11th class chemistry. So here they will provide 14th unit. So here I give you a very brief introduction, means your unit number of, I will give you how many number of classes and how much marks covering in your exam. So first chapter, some basic concept of chemistry, number of classes I will give you 10 to 12. This is not a restricted class, means I will not give only 10 to 12 class, but it's a very basic, means I will give you approximate 10 to 12 class. So maximum marks is 4 to 6, 5. And next one is structure of atom. I will give you in this lecture structure of atom. When we will covering structure of atom, I will give you an history and starting and basic and behind the idea of atoms, everything related to your syllabus and related to your examination. And in this chapter I will give you 12 to 14 lecture, and each this chapter covering your examination 5 to 6 marks. Next is classification of element and periodicity in period properties. 6 to 8 classes I will give you, and it covering 4 marks in your exam. Chemical bonding and molecular structure I will give you 12 to 14. This is very important chapter in inorganic chemistry. 12 to 14 lecture I will give you, and it's covered 4 to 6 marks. States of matter, gases and liquid. So gases and liquid I will give you 10 to 12 lectures, and 4 to 4 to 6 marks it's cover in your exam. Next is chemical thermodynamics. Chemical thermodynamics is a very interesting and a very lengthy unit in your in your syllabus. So I will give you 14 to 16, at least 14 to 16 classes, and it's covered 7 to 8 marks. So maximum marks this cover 7 to 8. Equilibrium, chemical equilibrium 12 to 14 classes, and 3 to 4 is the max marks. And redox reaction 4 to 6 classes I will give you, and 2 to 4 the marks. And hydrogens 6 to 8 classes I will give you, and it's covered 3 to 4 marks in your exam. And S and P block chemistry I will give you 10 to 20 class on S and block P block chemistry, and it's covering 12 to 10 to 12 marks in your exam. Next one is organic chemistry part. Organic chemistry part is very few in your syllabus, some basic principles and hydrocarbons. So it's covered 20 class at least, and it's take including your exam in 10 to 14 marks. And next one is the environmental chemistry. Environmental chemistry, I will give you 4 to 6 class and 2 to 4 marks including your exam. So this is a very short and very brief introduction and very short idea about your syllabus. So approximately total is the 140 to 160 class I will give you and maximum marks covering 70.